Hi guys, let's make this zesty orange mandazis. Add a quarter cup of sugar to a bowl. Use a grater to zest one large lemon and add the zest to the sugar. Rub the sugar and the orange zest together to release the flavor. To that, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. You can use self-rising flour and leave out the baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients until they are well combined. In another bowl, beat 1 egg. Squeeze the orange and add the fresh juice to the egg. You can use store-bought orange juice or any orange essence or extract, but the fresh juice tastes way better. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix that in. Create a well in the middle of the dry ingredients and add the wet ingredients. Mix that together gently. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth. Place the dough in a bowl and cover with a kitchen cloth for about 30 minutes. The dough is now well rested. Roll out the dough to your desired thickness. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to cut the mandazis to your desired shape and size. Transfer the mandazis to a plate and head to the stovetop. Heat the vegetable oil and add the mandazi slices. Make sure they are not lying on each other. Let them fry for about 4 minutes and then flip to cook on the other side. Once they are beautifully golden brown, transfer them to a bowl lined with paper towel. The paper towel will absorb any excess oil left on the mandazis. Do that until all the mandazis are fully cooked. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family. I appreciate you being here. Now we are done cooking. They are just perfect. These mandazis smell so good. They are soft, fluffy and very delicious. The citrus flavor adds a refreshing and delightful twist to the classic mandazi recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious creations. Until next time, bye.